Welcome back everyone. My name is Kar, and as you read the title, I'm going to use Figma to make a wireframe design of my sketch. So after you make your sketch, surely you want to digitalize it and make it into a wireframe. So what is a wireframe? Based on Wiktionary, wireframe can be described as a basic visual guide used to suggest the layout of fundamental elements in a web interface. So how do you make sketch into wireframe? Easy, I mean seriously easy. But before the wireframing process, please go to the Community tab of the Figma app and search for Lorem Ipsum, which is spelled like LOREM space IPSUM. The plugin and install it in your draft as it allows us to generate Lorem Ipsums to fill up the empty paragraph in our wireframe. So if you are encountering any issues with Figma, please message us and we will help you solve it. So first, open an empty file and make your frame. Frame is the platform size, either it's web or mobile. So basically, it's like a canvas when you're painting. To make a frame, all you have to do is clicking the frame tool located beside the move tool, which is on the top left of the corner. If you look at the right side, there's a lot of frame choices and it has couple of options such as phone, tablets, desktop, watch, paper and social medias. And we'll be using the desktop option. You can pick whichever size you want, but this demo I will be using the default desktop preset, which is the 1440 by 1024 pixel. And now it will be looking like this. The white rectangle in the center is your frame. You can change the name of your frame by double clicking the name part. I will change mine to home. Now all you have to do is make a wireframe that looks exactly like a sketch by using the shapes and tools of Figma and also the text box. Just click the tool that you will use and click it into your frame. And if you want to resize it, just pull the side of the shape, or you can change it manually on the right side panel. So the first part will be our home page. So it's pretty clear that the home page of mine is pretty simple. Just a website name at the top left corner and the navigation menu on the right side of it. Below it is the part where visitor will be introduced to the events under our WOW project. There are two buttons, which are the sign up and learn more buttons, followed by an image on the right side of it. Below all of it is the past workshop section, where posters of past workshop will be shown in a carousel. The next one will be the workshop page, where all the details and updates of the current workshop will go. At first, I'll explain the frame as it's not enough for this page. I do this by clicking on the frame and drag the frame to expand it. Once expanded, we can proceed to the actual wireframing process. At the top will be the poster followed by the title of the workshop. The middle part will be our blog posting part, where the workshop's description will go. For this part, we can use the Lorem Ipsum plugin to generate Lorem Ipsums that occupies the empty paragraphs. We can do this by simply clicking the text box and go to the plugins and open Lorem Ipsum. From here, you can see different settings like how many lines of Lorem Ipsum you want it to generate, or let the plugin generate Lorem Ipsum based on the size of the text box. After that, there will be some images and videos that sit side by side with the description paragraph as well. Lastly, there will be an intro video for the workshop. We will put a rectangle there to signify there will be a video embedded here, where the visitor can easily see the organizer of this project. At the left side would be a map and image carousel followed by the location and some brief introduction on the right side. Below it will be the contact methods like phone numbers and social media details. Last part of this page would be the community section, where the visitor can see all the committees that take part in this event. The images, names and position will be shown here accordingly. So that's it, we have made a wireframe. Now let's move to the next step. It's time to finalize the design by putting colors onto the stuffs. Thank you.